Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to use calculator in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the home page of your phone or your tablet, and here you will find calculator icon. Just click on it. And yes, this is the calculator app. If you would like to use some basic calculation like multiplication, addition, subtraction, yes, you can do it. I done a multiplication here. Okay, if you would like to clear, click on AC. If you would like to do some addition, just you can do like this. Okay, and I clear it. And now I would like to do subtraction. Yes, this is the answer, and I clear it. I would like to do division. This is the answer. I clear it. Suppose if you would like to use scientific calculator, click here and you will see scientific data here. So here sin 89 equal to this much. Okay, clear it. Tan 45 equal to 1, we know. Yes, see here. So in this way also you can use scientific term. So you can use basic calculation as well as scientific calculations in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.